Dogs treat this one. I swallowed a fucking mosquito. Get him, Warcry. It is hot as shit already, and it's probably only 8:30. The other dogs that were here, the Moose, Savage, and Cinder, there must have been another one because they took off down the draw. Tater stayed treated here on this one. Good girl. Get him up there. Get that bear. Try to get him out of here. It's like 3/4 of a mile back to the truck. Oh. Get him up there, Tater. Get him up there, Tater. Get him up there, Tater.